Hi everyone, in this video, I will explain to you a guide to workforce management on UKG Ready tutorial for beginners. UKG Ready is a cloud-based workforce management solution designed to streamline human resources, payroll, and workforce scheduling. It helps businesses manage their workforce efficiently, ensuring compliance and improving operational performance. Getting started with UKG Ready. Sign up or log into your account. User interface overview. After logging in, familiarize yourself with the interface, including the dashboard, navigation bar, and various features. The dashboard will display key metrics, notification, and tasks. On setting up employee profiles, add employees, navigate to the HR section, and add employees by entering essential information such as name, job, title, department, pay rate, contact details, and work schedules. For custom fields, you can add custom fields to capture specific information based on your organization needs. Now for time and attendance management. Time clocks. Employees can clock in and out using various methods, including physical time clocks, mobile apps, or web-based interfaces. Shifts and schedules. Set up employee work schedules. Use shift templates to create recurring schedules for employees or create custom shifts as needed. Attendance tracking. Track employee attendance. Monitor time off requests and manage absence from the time and attendance section. Set rules for tardiness and overtime. On payroll management, configure payroll settings. In the payroll section, configure payroll settings such as pay frequency, pay types, and deductions. On employee pay rates, set up pay rates for employees, including regular rates, overtime, shift differentials, and bonuses. On run payroll, after all time entries are approved, run payroll directly within UKG Ready. The system calculates taxes, benefits, and deduction automatically. On workforce scheduling, create schedules. Navigate to the scheduling section to create shift schedule for teams. You can assign shifts manually or use automation to distribute shifts based on availability, skills, and labor demand. Schedule templates. Create recurring schedule templates for departments or teams to save time when creating future schedules. Manage shift swaps. Employees can request shift swap or refer or offer to cover shifts through the self-service portal. Manager can approve or deny these requests. Labor forecasting. Use data-driven insights to forecast labor needs and adjust schedules accordingly to meet demand and avoid overstaffing and understaffing. Now leave and time off management. Set time off policies, track requests, and automate time off rules. Lastly, reporting and analytics. Generate reports. Use the report section to generate detailed reports on employee attendance, payroll, scheduling, labor costs, and compliance. You can schedule regular reports to be sent to your email. Dashboards and metrics. The platform provides customizable dashboards to track key performance indicators, such as labor costs, overtime, and employee productivity. Use these metrics to make data-driven decisions. Compliance report. Ensure compliance with labor laws and regulation by generating reports on work hours, overtime, and employee classifications. And that's basically it.